How much does it cost to have Christmas lighting professionally installed? Getting a quote for professional Christmas lighting installation is quite easy. First, you simply take 3 pictures of your home: a left side picture, a frontal picture, and a right side picture. Now address an email to gene@polarlights.com. In the subject line, write "New quote." This assures a quick response. In the body of the email, enter the following. All must be double-spaced: your first and last name, a double space, complete address, double space, and your phone number. That's it. Just send it and we will develop a quote for you. In most cases, we can have the proposal delivered to you the same day. In the event that our staff is not able to provide a quote via email, an appointment will be scheduled to see your home. Also, feel free to add special requests. Your quote will include the following 3 documents: a welcome letter, a Why Polar Lights document, and your custom quote. Take the hassle and danger out of Christmas this year and call Polar Lights today. 1-916-923-9627. Thank you and have a Merry Christmas.